Ever wonder if some of the most influential women in your life were actually just pixels on a screen? We're diving deep into the heartwarming, sometimes hilarious truth about the classic TV moms who practically raised an entire generation. Forget your actual parents for a minute. These legendary fictional mamas dished out life lessons, questionable advice, and endless entertainment right from our living rooms. Think Katie Seagal's iconic Peg Bundy, with her sky-high hair and even higher demands, bringing all the sassy realism to Married with Children. And who could forget Suzanne Summers as the fabulous Carol Foster Lambert from Step by Step, blending families and delivering those quintessential sitcom hugs. These matriarchs didn't just play characters, they became honorary family members, shaping our views on everything from fashion to family drama with every episode. Their unforgettable performances created a legacy that still resonates today, proving that the most dramatic insights often come from the comfort of our own televisions. So, for the full scoop on who truly ran the parenting game back in the day, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more exclusive celebrity insights.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for the latest Hollywood gossip and celebrity updates.